I am Colonel Ajay Singh, presently heading the Lodha Development Center. Today I came here to attend the session being conducted by Salman, and I found that these various lessons which is pertaining to the HR team specifically was brought out very beautifully through a game. Initially we didn't understand what the game would finally bring out, but the lessons that we came out, or the essentials that came out, was actually what a team needs to have in them to become a successful overall organization. I would say organization to become an institution, that's what the things which were missing. Now with the lessons that we have learned today, I am sure the organization will flourish and it will become an institution. Thank you.